Getting there. Mile 7. Halfway there. A little bit more than halfway. Get to it. About 5 miles on the beach, man. Terrible. Terrible. Just the grind. Grind every day. One step at a time. One day at a time. Do what you can. Get after it. Fuck the don't complain. Just lame. Let's get it. And it's done. Getting after it. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Like I was saying, man, one step at a time. As long as you make progress, baby steps just every day, just one. And then it's worth it. That's a good day. You know? One step at a time. One day at a time. Just getting it. Mile 10. Getting there. Almost home. Mile 11. Going on mile 12. This shit's been killer. My knees. But yeah, not too bad. Mile 11. Going on mile 12. Pretty warm. It's like 79. Not too bad. I'm almost done. Supposed to do just an hour, but I ended up doing 2. Not too bad. Still getting it. One step at a time. That's it.